quizzes can be a great way to learn. And that's why quiz channels are getting millions of views. Ever wonder how people are making those cool, interactive quiz videos without spending hours writing questions? What if I told you there's a way to create a full quiz using AI in just minutes, and then turn that quiz into an engaging video using AI too? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't even need to come up with the quiz questions yourself. AI can do it all. Let's dive in and make your first AI-powered quiz video from scratch. There are so many ways to create quizzes. Today I'm going to introduce a platform called ProProfs that can create high-quality interactive quizzes with 100% factually accurate data. ProProfs is essentially a smart solution for training employees, creating intelligent courses, providing customer support, and automating business processes. I won't dive too deep. I'll use only the Quiz Maker tool to create the quiz. By the way, you'll find the tool link in the description. Okay, after logging into ProProfs, go to the Products tab from here and then select the Quiz Maker tool. This is the ProProfs Quiz Maker tool. Here, you can see some of my previous quizzes. To start creating your own, click on Create a Quiz. Now you'll find several templates in various categories like scored templates, personality templates, assessment library, question bank, and at the end, create with ProProfs AI. I'll use this ProProfs AI tool to create the quizzes. Okay, this is the ProProfs AI Quiz Maker tool. To create quizzes, we have to enter the topic here in this box. You'll find some templates or inspiration here. Imagine I want to create quizzes on the scientific names of animals. So, I'm typing, create a quiz on the scientific names of animals. After entering the topic, hit the send button from here, and you can see that the AI is generating the quizzes. It will take some time to create the quizzes. And here it is. The quizzes are ready. ProProfs generates 8 quiz questions with correct answers. If you don't like them, you can regenerate them. Once you're satisfied, click on Add to Quiz. And here it is. The quizzes are now added. You can see the preview from here. If you select any question from here, you'll find all the answers with the correct one. Now you can customize the question and the answer if you want or need to. If you want to add a new question, click on the Add button from here and then add new questions and answers. After that, you can set the result options. There are systems for pass or fail, letter grading, and more. You can set it as per your needs. Next, you can set the quiz scoring, order of questions, and number of questions per page in the popular settings. Finally, you can set the themes of the quizzes. Here you'll find a bunch of options. Alright. Here at the right side of the question or answer, you'll find the option to add media like images and videos. There are several options to do so. You can even upload your own media. I'll search and set images of the related animals for every question. Okay, our quizzes are ready. Now save the quizzes by clicking on the Save button from here. Once done, to share the quizzes, click on the Send button from here. You'll find several options here. First, we have email. Then you can share via links or social platforms. After that, you can embed it on any website. You can even print the quizzes and share via QR code. The quiz interface will look like this. Now, anyone can access it and answer. The answers will be stored in your ProProfs database. Here, you can see that I got the result of my performance with a virtual certificate. At the bottom, you'll find all the questions with the correct answers. If you're an educator, ProProfs can be your best assistant in testing your students because the test results will be stored in the ProProfs Reports tab. You can see the results from here. So now you can create amazing and interactive quizzes using ProProfs to educate anyone. It's super easy and very quick. But what about the video? Don't worry, I'm getting to that. First of all, I'll print the quizzes. So click on the Send button from here and then select Print. Now you'll find several options. Select the Quiz plus Answer Key option and then click on the Print option. Now save it to your device as a PDF file. Okay, our PDF file is ready. Now it's time to turn it into a video. There are several ways to do this. I'll use Deep Agent by Abacus AI. It's an AI platform to create videos, apps, graphs, or charts. I made a detailed video on it. You can see it from the I button. Okay, this is Deep Agent's homepage. Let's start creating our video from scratch. I'm clicking on the attachment icon from here and then uploading the PDF file. Once the file is uploaded, simply type, "What is there?" and then hit the send button. Upon reply, it will ask some questions about what you want. Now type, "I want to make a video with the data from this." You can see that now it's asking for some more data like platform, video quality, style, and others. Give proper directions as per your need and then hit the send button. Okay, the AI is now analyzing the file. Once done, it will generate the script, voiceover, and the video. It will take some time, so I'm fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look.
Animal quiz.
What is the scientific name of a dog? A. Canis lupus. What is the scientific name of a cat? B. Felis catus. What is the scientific name of a horse? C. Equus ferus caballus. What is the scientific name of a lion? A. Panthera leo. What is the scientific name of a bear?
This is amazing. So now you can turn any file into a video using Deep Agent AI, and it's a really good quality quiz video. You can also create this kind of quiz using ProProfs AI and turn it into a video using Deep Agent AI. If you're an educator or a quiz content creator, you can try this method. I'll put all the tool links in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear your opinion about creating a quiz video using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.